Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the online classes of Bhagwan Adinath College of Education, Maharashtra, Lalitpur. I will talk on subject in kinesiology and biomechanics, unit 3. Chapter is projectile factor, including projectile trajectory. Projectile trajectory. So what is projectile? An object through into the space, either horizontally or an acute angle under the action of gravity, is called projectile. An objective thrown into the space, either horizontally or an acute angle under the action of gravity, is called projectile. There are forces which act the projectile: gravitational force and air to resistance. Air resistance of an object varies. Gravity depends on the object's particular shape and atmosphere condition in which the object released. Projectile motion. So what is projectile motion? Projectile motion is movement of any objective. Movement of an objective through the air, subject only the effect of gravity. Movement of an object through in the air, subject only the effect of gravity. That is projectile motion. So what is trajectory? Trajectory, the path of projectile, which is parabolic in two dimensions. In two dimensions. The factor affecting projectile trajectory are mentioned below. So what is the factor affecting of projectile? Number 1, angle of projection. Number 2, projection height relevant to the landing surface. Projection height relevant to the landing surface. Number 3, initial velocity. Number 4th, trajectory. Number 5th, gravity. Number 6, air resistance. And number 7th, spin. This is the effect of projectile. So number 1 is angle of projection. An object which is projected, at different angle covers different stages. An object which is projected different angle covers different distance. When is projected or released at angle 250, the making is parabolic path of covers lesser distance. When it is released to angle of 42 to 45 degree, makes a parabolic path of covers maximum distance. So then distance covered by an objective, that's like a shot put, hammer, javelin, discus and extra. Depend on the angle to release of projectile. Depend on angle of release to projectile. Number 2, projection height relevant to the landing surface. If the projection height and landing surface are equal, the projection height and landing surface are equal, the thing should be released through an angle of 45 is covered maximum distance. 45 degree angle is covered maximum distance. If the level of landing surface is more than projectile projection height, and the angle shall be increased. Angle shall be increased. If the level of landing surface is more than projection height, that the angle shall be increased. If the level of landing surface is less, the projection height is, angle of projection should be decreased. This is the projection height relevant to the landing surface. Distance of horizontal depend upon the relevant projection height is landing surface based on height. Number 3, initial velocity. The distance covered by object depend on initial velocity of the projectile. If the initial velocity is more, the objective covers maximum distance. If the initial velocity is more, the object covers maximum distance, and the initial velocity is less, the object covers less than distance. Next, trajectory. The path of projectile. The path of projectile. It's called trajectory. Gravity. It is the force of attraction exerted by the earth toward the objects. It is the force of attraction exerted by the earth toward the objects. A linear object, a projected will have longer element composition, to light weight of the object with the same force. Gravity affects a projectile as it decreases the height of the force of gravity act on the object to stop its upward movement and pull it back to earth. Limited vertical component of the projectile. Number 6, air resistance. When a projectile moves through the air, it is slowed down by the air resistance. Air resistance decreases the horizontal component of projectile. Horizontal component of the projectile. The effect of air resistance is very small, but in increase the horizontal component of the air resistance action on projectile mass surface of the object. Following factor: surface of the object volume, mass and speed related to the amount of air resistance of a projectile. Number 7, spin. The amount and direction of spin action on projectile. Amount and direction of the spin acting on projectile. This is the spin. So this is the 7 factor affecting point of projectile trajectory. Thank you to all.